Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, hope everybody had a good long weekend. Yesterday was pretty much all about the market just really being dead in and around 2777. You can see, I'm not going to stay on the daily chart for very long. You just see this slow grind. Any kind of a pullback, the difference maker is going to be this 9-day. You can see it held it in on Friday, Thursday. So as long as they maintain the 9-day, which is coming in at about 36 and change, then we can pull back 30 handles from here, and there's nothing wrong with this uptrend that we're on. And there's a couple of logical destinations. I think we need to deal with this area here, this resistance area from back in November. You've got a high of 1775. We came back and revisited the area, made a marginal lower high on December the 3rd of 2814, and then off you go. So we've traded between Friday and today. We traded as high as 82.5, and if the bulls continue to do what they're doing, this little area here is going to be important. So let's go to the hourly. So you can see President's Day has been just a complete compression area. There was really nothing doing yesterday during the regular session. Overnight really flattened out, centered around 77. I put a short out with a 2780 risk marker Sunday night, but I really didn't, I was in it. I got stopped out a couple times at even, and then I took it off and just enjoyed the holiday. But what we've seen since the Europe Open is, middle of the night, we get the expansion. So thanks, market. So we've traded as low as 66.75. I'll be very interested to see what the hourly mid-band up here at 75 does when we get into the regular session. If that holds as resistance, then certainly it has with the bands in this area, and they were really starting to tighten up into yesterday's close. With the bands that compressed, you can get some serious expansion. If it continues to make lower highs and lower lows, the natural destination for this expansion would be a test of the new weekly pivot down at 2752.25. And it's it's early in the week. How the weekly pivot behaves, what the weekly pivot wants to be, is going to be very very important for which side has tape control as we head into the four-day trading week that we have in front of us. All right, so everybody have a fantastic first day. We will be live at 9:20 on Instagram. Come check that out. There'll be a lot of other stuff on social. Come check us out. Come take a trial. We would love to meet you. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.